the reason why they do this video, I know say people go say it concern you. If you say now what it concern us now would they talk, that is the reason why you hear say even for Bible that time Bible will tell you say a place where there is no leader, that place perish. And secondly, what did they pay me now? Now I know the reason why God tell Adam and Eve say all the fruit where they this garden chop them, but leave the one where they set her. And they still go chop the one where they set her. And the one where they set her when they chop, now be the problem where we face today. And the same problem we see there now. If you check most of those boys when they already go water, go swimming, they know they go alone. If they won't go, they must go with their girl. Because some boys they now get they motivate them. They do that thing when they know what do. When they just know say they don't fit do one. But if get involved, they're ready to take the risk. If something will be say, you know say you know fit do, even say get there my guy, they say who they laugh, now better pass who they cry. You know how many people will don't die this year now. Why don't show now? If you not check, you know how many people will don't die. I don't want to show many pictures again. People will don't die this year when I don't post. But I was so surprised. I see this video this morning. I say I must talk concerning this video. Now so it did happen. You go there and say go inside. They say no, they go that side. That side deeper, and they will still go. They will come ask me how did it happen. So we will say na whole problem. Not be only whole problem. Sometimes think water they call person. Secondly, some people they when be say they don't kill for Nigeria, don't do many things. They run country Europe. And person will ask me, person will kill for Nigeria, how they cross Mediterranean. See one grace day when we say even though see all the 150 people we don't kill for Nigeria and they enter lapa. But one person when we say the head, God need them. If he did among of those people, nothing will happen to that Lapalapa. It doesn't mean. But the problem is that once you cross the Lapalapa finish, you can't go back to the water back. Now there water, the spirit will call you. So avoid water. After all the enjoyment, when you enjoy, you get the right to buy Hennessy, buy champagne, anything when you want to eat. Carry gear for your room, potpourri, enjoy. After all the enjoyment. So now that water, now be the highest enjoyment. If you don't swim now. You know enjoy rich. The enjoyment not go complete. Do you see? Make I tell you now. Most of them know they like to listen to us. It's a very don't pass message concerning this water when we say black people they die now every time. And people when they share the message, you know they watch their video. Person like Prince Steven. If you go Prince Steven and follow him for page, Prince Steven, just follow him. You will see all the details.
Alright, my people. Una welcome back to Prince TV News. This time now, so now the entertainment section now we just today. Una know how this area take the play now. So now, Matteo Salvini, which is the former interior minister of Italy, this man wanna they see for you now. So he don't call that chill come and say, be you Nigeria, be you Ghana, be you Morocco, be you any of the country where you for take come. Say he not be racist. Say in the stand against. Those people like say that go come the Italian side, they're not going to respect the law, they're going to do contrario, they're going to do different kind of things. Say immigrants when come for the country, when they for inside the Italian side, they work, they pay tax, they do things tranquilo, the way where life supposed to be. Say those ones, he welcome them, and that ones, now in friend, name those ones be now so. Guy, when I reason I say, this same man, even when immigrants do something like say, it makes sense, he no go come out, call a kind of like a report, say, at a time like this, he get person will be like say, he do something like say, it makes sense. But most especially, in the bad aspect, I mean, they bring come out. Now, he no come out, can defend himself, say, he not just be racist, but he like immigrants, like say, they go come the country, can contribute to the economy, make things different. For those of you will be like say, una never be saying when he be the nyan this matana so, when I watch him, when I see how he play.
Lei ha detto le sue campagne contro gli immigrati. Io non ho mai fatto una campagna contro gli immigrati. Il mio problema non è e non sarà mai il colore della pelle o il luogo dove uno nasce. Tu puoi nascere qua a Vibo Valentia, a Milano, a Malta, in Nigeria o in Nuova Zelanda. Se sei un uomo o una donna per bene sei un mio fratello. Il mio problema è l'illegalità. lo sfruttamento e l'immigrazione clandestina, perché io difendo il diritto dei 5 milioni di immigrati regolarmente presenti in Italia a lavorare tranquillamente, a inserirsi tranquillamente senza essere confusi con quelli che sbarcano e poi vanno a spacciare e a far casino. Di quella gente non abbiamo bisogno in Italia. Io penso che gli italiani siano il popolo più solidale, accogliente, generoso e laborioso del mondo. Gli italiani sono emigrati nel resto del mondo portando fatica, sudore, bellezza, impegno e sacrificio, quindi quelli che dicono italiani razzisti non capiscono nulla, e semplicemente prendo atto che il governo di sinistra in Spagna espelle 5.000 immigrati in un quarto d'ora, il governo in Francia difende la frontiera a Ventimiglia e il governo di sinistra in Danimarca dice i centri per i richiedenti asilo non li voglio in Danimarca ma li voglio in Nord Africa. Quindi controllare chi entra e chi esce da un paese a prescindere dal colore della pelle o da dove sei nato è un dovere e io da ministro dell'interno applicavo il mio dovere di tutelare la sicurezza del mio paese.
Madam Samabi, so now what is having the call out chain come they tell us, he say he not be racist, say he welcome immigrants welcome for the country where we like say they respect the rules and regulation, but you know to they bring people where we like say they will come disobey the law, say it not make sense. Now what Mateo Salvini still come out come give us your own opinion how he take the play for the immigration side. Now system let una know wetin this man always dey talk.